Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pastiche House. It is Lisa here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's video is a little different because it is my very first junk journal flip through because it's my first junk journal. This one is going to be just a quiet, just with music, no talking. I sped up the time a bit, so that's what this one's going to be about. If you are interested in watching me talk through my videos, sorry if it's noisy, I have neighbors moving in. So if you are more interested in me speaking through it, that will be my last video. So I will link it in the description, and you can get to it from there. Alright, or just check my channel, it's the last video. I don't normally make junk journals, but I've been so inspired watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I had so many little knick-knacky ephemeras, the word of the day. Anyways, I had so many things laying around, and I thought it was a great opportunity for me to throw it onto a junk journal, because I did have a journal I handmade like last year, this one, laying around, and I really didn't know what to do with it because the paper wasn't strong enough to hold like water or mixed media or anything like that. So I didn't know what to do with this, with this journal, and I didn't want to throw it out. I didn't want to just write in it. So I made a bunch of folders, and then from there I was stuck again. And then when I learned about junk journaling, I had a light bulb moment. So take a look, and I'll catch you on the other side.
Saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, what's under my skin? I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again? Stuck to your teeth, you got porcelain under your skin, and I'm all for it again and again and again. For someone you don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain. guess you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, what's under my skin? I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again?
Much love. I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye for now.